Unleashing creativity. Let's get crafty. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fun and colorful expression. Let's get crafty. This phrase is not just about art and crafts. It's packed with meaning and is used in various contexts. Join me as we explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's more than just an invitation to pull out your scissors and glue. Let's get crafty is an idiomatic expression that fundamentally means to engage in creative activities. However, it's not limited to literal arts and crafts. This phrase can also imply thinking creatively or strategically, often in a way that's clever or a bit cunning. It suggests a departure from the conventional, encouraging innovation and originality. You might use "let's get crafty" in several scenarios. 1. Artistic projects. When starting a creative endeavor like painting, building, or any DIY project. 2. Problem solving. When you need to think outside the box or come up with a creative solution to a problem. 3. Strategy planning. In business or games, when you need to devise a clever strategy to overcome challenges or outsmart the competition. To understand it better, let's see how it's used in sentences. 1. Art project. The room looks bland. Let's get crafty and make some colorful wall hangings. 2. Problem solving. This coding issue is tricky, but I'm sure if we get crafty, we can find a workaround. 3. Strategy planning. Our competitors are strong, but if we get crafty with our marketing, we can stand out. And that's a wrap on Let's Get Crafty. Remember, this vibrant phrase is your go-to when you need to inspire creativity, innovation, and strategic thinking. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the colorful world of English idiomatic expressions. Stay creative, think outside the box, and until next time, let's get crafty in learning English.